Hello, my friend. Welcome to this grounding and calming meditation. Take a moment to settle in, finding a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels right for you at this moment. Gently close your eyes and rest your hands in your lap or by your sides. Let's start by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Take 2 more deep breaths just like that. Inhale and exhale. Once more, in and out. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any tension there and imagine it melting away as though a soft, warm light is soothing every muscle. Let this warmth gently flow down, softening your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks. Release any tension in your jaw. Let it become soft and relaxed. Allow this warm, calming sensation to move down your neck and shoulders. Feel your shoulders gently drop as you let go of any stress you've been carrying. Let this warmth spread down your arms, into your hands, and into each and every finger, relaxing every muscle as it goes. Now bring your attention to your chest. Feel it rise and fall naturally with your breath. With each exhale, let go of any stress or tension held here. Allow this soothing sensation to flow down your back, releasing any tightness or tension here. Feel your body becoming heavier, sinking deeper into relaxation. Now focus on your belly. Soften this area with your breath. Feel the relaxation continue to move down into your hips, legs, and feet. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more and more at ease. Let go of anything you don't need right now. Now that your body feels relaxed, let's move into the 4-7-8 breathing technique. This will help deepen your sense of calm and relaxation. Take a deep breath in through your nose for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath for a count of 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale slowly and fully through your mouth for a count of 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's repeat. Inhale deeply through your nose. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale completely. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now continue this breathing exercise on your own for the next 2 minutes, breathing in for 4 counts, holding for 7, and exhaling for 8. When you're ready, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Notice how your body feels now. Now take a moment to silently repeat 3 times the following affirmation to yourself. I'm fully present. I'm calm. I'm grounded. Now repeat it to yourself 3 times. Now begin to bring your awareness back to the surroundings. Feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Start gently wiggling your fingers and toes. Now take one last deep breath in and out. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and presence with you as you move forward into your day. Thank you for joining me today, and take good care.